In this video, we are going to see some applications of trigonometry in our real life. See, trigonometry is used mainly in the field of astronomy to view the stars, the distance between the stars, planets and all that. But here we can also use trigonometry in some cases. If suppose we are viewing a tower from a point on the ground. This is the tower and we are viewing it from the point on the ground. We are viewing the top of the tower from the point on the ground. In this case, trigonometry will be very useful. So we have a tower here. And a person is watching the top of the tower from the point on the ground. And this is the horizontal. For this, in this case, we will be using trigonometric ratios to find the distance. So this is the tower and this is the horizontal line. And this line is called line of sight. This line is called line of sight. That is, a person observing the top of the object or observing the object through his eyes is the line of sight. And this is called angle of elevation. Suppose, see, this is the horizontal. This line is the horizontal. And a person is standing here and viewing the top of the tower or an object through his eyes. So this angle will be called as angle of elevation. This is called angle of elevation. Angle of elevation will be above the horizontal level. Angle of elevation will be above the horizontal level. So this is called angle of elevation and this line is called line of sight. Suppose a person is standing in his house. Person is standing in his house and viewing an object below, that is on the ground. This angle will be called angle of depression. This angle will be called angle of depression. This will be this line will be the horizontal here. Here this line will be the horizontal and the angle of depression will be below the horizontal line. Angle of depression will be below the horizontal line, and this line, the line which the person view, the object through which he views, that line is called line of sight. The person viewing an object in the ground, this line is called line of sight. He is viewing from the top of his from his house or from his balcony, and the view will be towards the ground. It is called angle of depression and it will be below the horizontal level. Here in this case, when the person is viewing an object which is above the horizontal level or which is above the elevation level, that is from a top of a tower or a top of a temple or a kite flying or an aeroplane traveling in the sky. So that's a view that is when the observer views the aeroplane or kite or whatever it is, that will be the angle of elevation because is viewing towards the top. And angle of depression is the view is towards the ground. So this is the basic thing to understand how to apply trigonometry in our real life. So with the help of this line of sight, angle of depression and angle of elevation, we will move on to some sums which we can understand how to apply trigonometry with the trigonometric ratios. Okay.